Let's talk about how to speak smoothly and reduce your accent. If this video is helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Do you want to sound like a native speaker? Do you feel like your accent is holding you back? Do you struggle to communicate effectively in English? You are not alone. Even CEOs of Fortune 500 companies share in your struggle. The good news is, with a little practice, anyone can improve their accent and sound like a native speaker. Follow me while I show you a few easy steps to sound more fluent. One of the most important keys to reducing your accent is to focus on two aspects of speech: consonant-to-vowel connections and vowel-to-vowel connections. Let's try it. First up, consonant-to-vowel connections. Consonant-to-vowel connections refer to the way we connect our consonant and vowel sounds in sentences. In English, we don't pronounce each word separately. Instead, we blend them together to create a smooth, flowing rhythm. The word fluent comes from the word fluid. We want our speech to flow together like a stream or river. So, when one word ends in a consonant and the next word begins with a vowel, we say it like it's one word, with no pause in between. For example, instead of saying, "Can I make an appointment?" try saying, "Can I make an appointment?" This will help you smooth out the sounds and make it easier to blend them together. Now let's say it again quickly with no pauses. Can I make an appointment? Next we have vowel-to-vowel connections. In addition to consonant-to-vowel connections, vowel-to-vowel connections are also important in reducing your accent. Let's start with Y. In English, we often use sounds such as Y and W to connect vowel sounds together, creating a smooth and natural sound. Y links together I, A, Oi, and E sounds. For example, in the sentence "I am happy," we use the linking Y to connect the vowel sounds I, A, Oi, and E together, making it sound like I am happy. W links together O, Oo, and Ow sounds. An example is the sentence "Do it now." We use the linking W to connect the vowel sounds O, Oo, and Ow together, making it sound like "do it now." Let's try again and listen for the linking sounds. I am happy. Do it now. Follow me for more tips and lose your accent today.